Greetings and welcome to Busy Bee from Germany. This is no how-to video, but this is a search for a chemist, maybe a people's chemist who can help me and answer some of my questions about the composition of plastic, especially polystyrene and PVC. I plan to do an extended project, but I need some knowledge in chemistry, but I wasn't able to find it in any book. I have a background from business administration, but no, not in chemistry. So if you have a background in chemistry, let me know and send me a message or share my video if you know anyone who could help me. Thanks in advance. Your Busy Bee from Germany.